Now before we roll into the action, I'm super excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by the Ridge Wallet, and using my link, ridge.com/stradman, you're gonna get their best offer yet, up to 40% off through December 22nd. Now I really love the Ridge Wallet. It's very simplistic, very minimalistic. It comes in over 30 different colors and styles. This one is actually a topographic map, a Zion National Park. We have this one in carbon fiber. It fits up to 12 cards plus cash. This wallet comes with a lifetime warranty. The Ridge is so confident you're gonna love this wallet. You can actually test drive one for 99 days. If you don't love it, you can return it and get a full refund. The Ridge Wallet has received over 50,000 5-star reviews. Now the Ridge has a bunch of other cool accessories like this carbon fiber key case, super simplistic, super minimalistic. Guys, check out the link below, ridge.com/stradman, up to 40% off through December 22nd, their best offer yet. Check out that link below. It is so ridiculously cold here in Ohio right now. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're driving to Utah. I feel like we're arriving to like a European castle, like whatever you call that. That is totally a castle. This is ridiculous. What? So the garage is that way, but we gotta take a quick loop as my voice squeaks. What? What in the world? With a casual smile. That Nismo is sick. Oh, come on. It's in demo mode. It's in demo mode. It's in demo mode. This place is ridiculous. Yes. This is so cool. What's up, Bryce? I have never been to a house this gorgeous in my entire life.
It's a pretty cool garage. Can't wait
It's incredible. Like that entrance, I feel like we're arriving to a castle. Well, we are finally getting the full tour into the Triple F garage. Oh my gosh, I look at that idiot on camera right there. The Chiron Super Sport. This thing is insane. Congratulations. Yeah. So Triple F just took delivery of this, what, a couple weeks ago, a month ago?
A month ago, yeah.
Wow, bro. Now, maybe one of the coolest parts about their garage is the view from above of the two Chirons on that side, and then check out the McLarens on this side. Are you actually kidding me? Like, is that's real? That's not CGI. Every single view in this garage is absolutely incredible. I love looking down on the cars because it's a perspective you just never see. So immediately, somehow, I don't even know how this happened, Sophia got the keys to the A12 from Bryce, and she's turning it on. That interior is so good. You've driven an A12. All right. That sounds pretty cool. Okay, you know, the more I think about it, Sophia, maybe you are a Ferrari girl. Maybe you're not a Lamborghini girl. Couple baby revs, just a couple baby revs. Nothing too crazy, okay? All right, that's not bad. Do you guys have an exhaust for this coming?
We don't.
Okay, well you need one, right, Bryce? You make that happen. Bryce, that's Absolutely. Your job. You gotta get an exhaust for this. The exhaust for my A12 should be here soon, and when I say soon, I have no idea. That is a tight squeeze right there. Okay, easy. It's got 1,600 horsepower. This is so insane. I was definitely not expecting to drive a Chiron Super Sport right now. Okay, this car is probably worth north of $5 million, so we're gonna drive it very cautiously and very slow. We are not maximizing the potential of this car, okay? This is not my car. I have filmed some of the coolest cars in the entire world, but I would reckon this is by far and away, this is the coolest car. Full exposed carbon fiber, Chiron Super Sport, under the sun, here in Ohio in front of the castle. Are you actually kidding me? The carbon fiber on this car is absolutely glistening. The spec on this with all the blue accents next to the Accelerate yellow. This car, I cannot take my eyes off it. Look at that. Look at that thing. Are you kidding me, Ohio? There's a blank sign for the speed bump. We're in a $6 million Bugatti Chiron. That's right, the price is now $6 million. The further you drive it, the price just continues to go up. I am honestly terrified. I've driven some of the most expensive cars in the entire world, but this car, it's not even the price tag, it's the full exposed, wow, I can speak English. I gotta calm down, I'm hyperventilating, but I'm driving a $7 million car, that's right, the price keeps going up. But the car is priceless. That's the thing. Triple F has been waiting for this car for so long. If I was to crash it, it's not about the price tag. It's that they can't get another one. Like, it's truly a one-of-one car. Once again, another speed bump with no sign. Come on, Ohio. I don't even want to do this. Sophia is telling me I have to. Oh my gosh, what? Yo, okay. That was probably 60% throttle right there. That's ridiculous. This thing is so sick. Oh my gosh, I felt wheel spin. Okay, we are going right back to Triple F right now. We are turning this car, we are parking this car, and we are leaving the state of Ohio. That's so crazy. This is your first time in a Chiron? No, you've been in a Chiron. You've been in a Chiron. If I won the lottery, the first thing I would do is buy a Chiron Super Sport in full exposed carbon fiber. I need one. Not that I need one, it's more that I want one. I definitely don't need one, but man, do I want one. Oh my gosh! I am in love with this car right now. This is so good. The quad turbocharged W16, 1600 horsepower, 304 miles an hour, full exposed carbon fiber. There are certain moments in your life you will never forget. This is one of those moments. As we drive through a tunnel of trees in the beautiful state of Ohio, we have the Sky View option. That's like a $65,000 option. I cannot thank Triple F enough for this insane once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is incredible. If you guys have not subscribed to Triple F, go check out the link in the description below. This is full set in a Chiron Super Sport. Oh my gosh, what? There's just something about driving a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport up to this house. I feel like the Duke of Cambridge. Also, I'm excited to announce the car is back here at Triple F in one single piece. So we're gonna head off to the Triple F drag strip here momentarily in the Corvette Z06, but I just got a very interesting email about that car. Somebody wants to buy it. I just bought that car in Pennsylvania. I paid $173,000. Some Chevy collector wants the brand new Z06, and the price he offered me is kind of sort of insane. So for privacy reasons, obviously I'm not going to disclose who wants to buy the car, but he sent me an email and I'm going to read it to you here. Hi James, I'm a huge fan of the channel. I've been watching the channel for a number of years. I just saw you took delivery of the brand new Z06. I'm a huge Chevrolet collector myself. I would love to buy the car off of you. It reads on a little bit further, but basically he wants to offer me $110,000 more than I paid for the car. So I paid $173,000. He wants to pay me $283,000 for the car. I just bought it. I love the car. $110,000, that's a ton of money. I don't know what to do. I don't want to sell the car though. I love the car, but at the same time, I knew there was going to be crazy demand for the Z06 and the car is absolutely amazing. I had no idea. I was thinking maybe 20, 30, 40,000 over sticker, but $110,000 over sticker. Now, as far as I know, this is the second delivered Z06 in the entire world. I honestly don't know how we got it. I cannot thank Matthew Beaver enough for helping me get this car. $110,000 over sticker. What do you guys think? What would you do? Now, I think probably the hardest part in the email he told me, I can't drive the car anymore or the offer doesn't exist. I have like 400 miles on the car. We're gonna go to the drag strip. We're planning to crest over 500. We're driving to Chicago today. We want to engage full power. I don't know what to do. I love the car, but at the same time, I just never imagined $110,000 over sticker. That number is crazy. From what I can tell in the email, it appears credible. He has an Instagram, he's got other cool cars. I think it's legit. I don't know what to do. I just noticed, and I don't know if this will change his offer, it appears that a bird left his impression right on the gas cap. That's the thing about this car, the more we drive it, like it's a used vehicle now, it's not brand new. It's such a tough decision to make because I love that car so much. I've been waiting for a year for it. It's the perfect spec, and the new Z06 is such a vast improvement. I want to get an exhaust for that car. There's so much I want to do with that car, but at the same time, like, I'm in the green, and sometimes when you're in the green, you sell when you can, but at the same time, I don't want to sell. We're now back in the Corvette because Triple F actually owns a private drag strip. They have their own drag strip. We're gonna go test the potential of the Z06. The problem is, it is absolutely freezing outside, and my tires are Cup R tires, which means they're not really built for 24 degrees Fahrenheit, but what are you gonna do? I am so incredibly immature. I want to send this car so bad, but I know that I shouldn't because the tires are cold, but at the same time, well, that wasn't bad actually. Okay, I was expecting worse. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Triple F Raceway, and ironically enough, we definitely did not drive in circles. We have 499 miles on the odometer. We gotta rack up one more mile to unlock the full potential. Triple F, they own a drag strip. Like, they have an actual drag strip. This is so cool. Oh, there it is. There's 500. Let's go, baby. What happened? Where's the confetti? Where's the fireworks? Nothing's happening. Are you kidding me? Really, Chevy? We got exactly 500 miles. I wonder if we have to like turn it off maybe. Let's shut her down. Let's put her in park. Let's shut her down. Let it chill for a little bit. 1, 2, 3, chill. Come on, full potential. Give us full potential. Oh, no? Nothing? Well, I set the camera down for 2 seconds and it completely changed. You can see red line is now adjusted to 8,500 RPMs. We have officially unlocked the full potential of the Z06 Corvette. And ironically enough, we are here at the drag strip at exactly 500 miles. We don't want to drive even 1 more mile, like we're ready to go. So I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I've set up launch control. You can see traction control is off. We've got the 0 to 60 timer. We're gonna mash the brake, we're gonna mash the throttle and let off. Oh my gosh. Let's go, baby, let's go. That's crazy. So that was 4.2 seconds. We couldn't get any traction whatsoever, but that should have warmed up the tires. So if we do it again, we should improve. That's all we want. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, you know, see the problem? Oh my gosh! I don't know if you guys can tell. It's 25 degrees. I'm spinning everywhere. This is embarrassing. Yeah, so that was 4.40 to 60. Yeah, we're good though. Well, the time has officially come. Corvette Z06 against Aventador Ultimate. Honestly, it's not even gonna be a contest. I can't put any power down whatsoever. We have no traction. The tires are incredibly cold. That car has all-wheel drive. If it was a sunny day in the summertime, I think we might take them, but like, I can't put anything down. We're just gonna spin our way to the finish line, so. Before we race, I just wanna show you guys what my tires look like. These tires have 503 miles on them, okay? 503 miles on them. We don't stand a chance. Like, we don't even, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm making excuses. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. We just wanna go true and straight.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, baby, come on, come on, let's go, 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 go. I still cannot get traction. Come on, Z06, track down that car. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Not gonna happen, this is not gonna happen. Oh, man. This Corvette is fast, though. This thing is no slouch. All right, we lost. We took another L.
2, 1, go!
Come on, no, no, yes, no, come on, let's go. I got nothing, I got absolutely nothing. Oh, goodness. We took a lot of L's today. We took 4, 5, we took 6 L's today, every single race. Oh, it's been a long, arduous journey, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago, Illinois. Let's go. If you wouldn't mind, Sophia, grab the other paddle, couple baby revs. That's so good. All right, before we be too obnoxious, shut her down. You see, last night we balled out at the Holiday Inn Express, but tonight, Sophia, we're staying at the W. Ironically enough, the W was cheaper than the Holiday Inn Express. The Holiday Inn Express was in Zanesville, Ohio, and we're in Chicago, Illinois. I don't know, we got a deal. This definitely is not the Holiday Inn Express. I don't fit in right now, we're at the W. How did this happen? We're on the 29th floor too. We got upgraded. Shout out to a subscriber. We got the upgrade. I broke the elevator. Oh, get this all away. I gotta keep my voice down. This is so sick. What? We don't fit, well, you fit in. You fit in, Sophia. I don't fit in right now. This is sick. So the entire 5-hour drive to Chicago, I've been trying to figure out, what do I do with the Corvette Z06? Do I sell it? Do I not? I got on Auto Trader, I got on Cars.com, I got on Auto Tempest. There's not one single Corvette Z06 for sale in the entire country. We have like one of the only cars. This is why people are willing to pay absolutely ridiculous numbers. I am not gonna sell the car for the time being. I still want to enjoy the car. I want to cut off the exhaust. So you guys got to hear that car with a straight pipe. We cannot sell it quite yet. Someday in the future, will we not? I have no idea. But for now, we are not selling it. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. I also got to give a shout out to the Triple F collection, watching my channel and letting the ads play 100% through. You're helping pay for my garage right now, as well as my Chiron dreams. The Super Sport and the Chiron next to each other. It is so crazy to see how much longer the Super Sport is.